Good morning, this is John with Roof MD. I'm here in Murfreesboro this morning. We've got a chimney leak, but there's also other issues going on this 3-tab asphalt shingle roof. It's got a pitch of about 7 and 12. Down here along the eaves, the plywood is actually sunken in. And you can see it's dipped in. The shingles are torn a little bit there, but there's leaks all along this eave, extending all the way across this entire edge to the other side. So it's not just the chimney we've got a problem with, it's the entire side. The chimney here also has sloppy workmanship that speaks volumes to what might be going on underneath and why it failed early. Always want to have good quality workmanship. The roof itself, being a 3-tab shingle, is prone to wind damage, and this roof you're actually looking at an insurance claim because many of the shingles are torn. They've been flopped over backwards by the wind and broken. You see stress marks at the shingles. They make these little lines. You know your 3-tab shingles have been blown backwards in the wind. You see asphalt granules have come loose, exposing the fiberglass underlayment or the scrim, and that's not a good sign. It means that your roof is near the end of its life. Down here we had a leak that was believed to be at the pipe, but it was presenting inside. The owner thought it was a pipe. Upon coming on the roof, we see it's depressed right in here, this valley, high flow area, and it's soft in that area. The leak is actually the valley. It's presenting at the pipe because that's the hole that it wants to go through and once it gets through our roofing system. So we did not roof this roof. We'll be happy to put a new roof on it. Please consider Roof MD for all your roofing needs, repairs, re-roofs, or just coming to check your roof to make sure it's still doing okay, or if you have any storm concerns, wind, hail. We service all those needs and we'll work with your insurance companies. This has been John Simpson with Roof MD in Murfreesboro, Tennessee.